Well, it is depressing. You had this image, my restaurant is going to be like that, and it doesn't happen. So it's not just a restaurant, it's anything. You've got this hope and image that you follow and believe this is going to happen, but it's not happening. So it's a depressing time. Well, what can you do? You just keep working on it. And we get to some stage. There is no flowers at the end of the corridor. You got to make a garden from where you are. Squid ink pasta. Okay, fire out. I'm ready for this. Very unusual dish. Squid ink pasta. You like it or you hate it. There's two ways. There's no middle way. And some restaurants make squid ink pasta with a sauce with a squid ink in it. Just imagine a lovely couple going out for a Saturday, Friday night date, and they order squid ink pasta. And if you put squid ink in the sauce, your mouth and lips and your teeth will become very stained black. I don't think that's a good way of going out for a first date. So we put squid ink in the pasta. You get the flavor, but less disturbance. Right, squid ink pasta you must use a thick pan, because a thick pan keeps the heat well. Because oil pasta, you got to use a thick pan. A thick pan, my body remembers, so without doing all this, it's very hard to explain, so please pardon me. A thick pan, oil, you heat up the oil, and you slice the garlic in it, you bring the flavor out, and you put anchovy in it. You bring the flavor out, make the base of the sauce. And you put cracked chili, and again, a flavor out. You put pasta in the pot, and you boil it a couple of minutes, fresh pasta. And toss it on, you mix it all together. And last minute, you put capers in it to blend everything together. And you serve it on a plate. You do the plating. With how we plate the dish, this is how we do it. And you just roll it up the pasta and put it on the plate. And on top, freshly toasted cracked pepper, and pecorino romano. And you put a touch of chili pepper, chili flake, and you put fresh cherry tomato on the side. That tomato actually gives dish a sweetness when you have that. There's a salty and oceany flavor. After that, tomato actually clears your mouth. Refreshing. Okay, and a piece of lemon to finish up. Ow. Just imagine. That's the dish. Wow. That was my reaction. Wow. So different. And so salty. It's not crazy salty, but pleasingly salty. Salty food. And that food actually instantly calling for a good cup of coffee after. And good cup of coffee, you're in the heaven. If you don't like it, stay away. You think you open a restaurant, people will come to your restaurant. You open it, people will come. No, it's not going to happen. This is what I think. If a restaurant doesn't come up with new menus and it just stays on where you are and happy with where you are, you're not going anywhere. If you stay with 20 dishes for the rest of your life, the restaurant, you better say goodbye. One thing kept me going is I'm doing what I love. I'm doing what I like. So if don't have people coming for a meal, fine. You're doing what you love. Actually, that was what kept me going.
If you made it to the end of the video, the team here at StoryBites just wanted to say a massive thank you for your support. We are unapologetically passionate about telling stories that matter. And so if that sounds like something you could get amongst, we want you to join the narrative by subscribing today for our weekly stories. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.